welcome back to the Chloe 21 channel. It's me, Chloe, and this is my brother,
Tristan.
What are we doing?
The Whisper Challenge.
And the Whisper Challenge is he puts these on to his head and we blast music like this. And I'm gonna say something and he has to try and guess it. And if he guesses it, he gets a point. And yeah. And same thing with me. Alright, let's go. Bagels.
I
Like bagels.
pizza. I like
Bagels.
Pandora. I like pie.
I like bagels. Bagels.
The Vipers.
What the? Who's the Pipers?
No.
My turn.
Okay. Here. Okay.
Say something.
Flowers.
I don't have one.
Flowers. Flowers.
Powers.
Flowers. Flowers.
Flowers. I got it.
Why'd you say powers?
Powers and flower. How does bagel sound like the whatever it's called?
The Vipers. The Vipers.
I watch anime.
I want pizza.
This guy with what?
Say one
I
my
watch
word.
anime.
Say one my word.
I watch
Want
anime.
animes.
Get it right.
I thought you said animes.
Do you want pizza? Because everything is pizza.
Okay, wait. Camera.
Pepper. Hammer.
No, camera.
Sammer.
Camera. Camera.
What?
Camera.
Flour? Again? Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a
Like
and comment your suggestions down
below.
and subscribe. Click the red button. That's somewhere.
I think it over there.
No, it's over there.
It's over there.